there is a rattling sound coming from, it sounds like inside the door. And I'm pretty sure it's somewhere inside the door panel, because if you roll down the window even an inch, it goes away. So we're at least going to check that. So I've already got this started, and I thought it might be worth showing you guys. I'll show you what I did so far. I've just got literally a couple small screwdrivers. These tiny little flatheads come in handy, and these plastic trim puller tools. I got a few of them here with some different angles on them. So firstly, this thing was just back in here behind the handle. I just had to pry down this tab on top, and then it seemed like it was easiest to get behind this side of it by the lock to pry it off that way. And then behind there were two screws to take out. And then same thing down in this handle, right down in there, there's this thing that was just sitting on that. Use a small screwdriver to pry that up, and there's one more screw under there. That screw was very rusty. I don't know what's going on with that, but let me know. Maybe that's a problem I need to look into also. So after that, I was able to just pry this up. I started over on this end with one of those trim pullers and just kind of wedged it under and then knocked it up, and then worked my way around to get the rest off. These are just, there's just little snaps on here that go down into a groove. So it sounds a little violent and like you're breaking things as you're doing it, but it's the way to go. So now I'm to the point I got to pull these wires off, and we figure out how to do that. All right. How do these work? Okay, this one just has a tab. I'm pressing down on this tab and pulling out. I don't like pulling on the wires, but it seems like the easiest thing. There, that one's out. And how does this one work? Well, same thing, there's a little tab. This one's trickier. I'm not sure if all this white part comes out or just what the wires are in. It looks like it's in two pieces. No, I think all the white plastic comes out of there. Yep, there it goes. Okay, we're on the way. Okay, from here, now I'm pretty sure we just start prying out around the edges of the door, where the door meets or where the plastic meets the metal part of the door. So let me try that, I guess. Okay, before I pull this off, maybe I can just see what's going on. Nope, not yet. I think there's something in here. Now let's pull this piece off. Okay, no screws or anything in here. I think that was just holding on the door, though. Oh, okay. Cool. So it looks like we just lift up from here. There we go. Not quite how I wanted it to happen, but that's how it's happening. There we go. So this piece here kind of sits in where the window goes in. And that's what I just had to lift it up out of there. But now this is kind of popped off the door, so I'm going to try to get that back into there because I was prying it in the wrong direction, I think. Little metal tabs that this one locks into. I just bent one. Now I'm dealing with that. All right, so the handle is still holding us up. On the video I watched about this, it said to just punch this through. Yep, look at that. Nice. All right, let's see if we can figure out what was rattling. None of this. Okay, well, I'm not immediately seeing the problem. I can kind of see a good deal down in this hole and not seeing anything loose. I'm almost thinking maybe it's something with the track that the window goes down into. That has something to do with that being how it goes away as soon as the window's down, but I guess that could be. I'm kind of moving it back and forth a little bit. That's kind of the sound. I don't know. If that's it, I'm not really sure how I can get in there to do anything about it. It does seem like it could be the issue. There's just kind of a, almost like this weather stripping is on either side of the track that this goes down into. And that seems kind of loose. Wish I could get at the other one, I guess. I was going to avoid it, but I guess I'll just have to peel this off. Oh yeah, this side does not feel that loose. So I think that's the problem. I'm going to go with that is the problem, but I don't know how to fix it. Let me see if I can get you in close enough here and I'll show you. All right, there. So if I peel this back, right here, this is the track that the window slides down into. So this is metal track, and then there's this soft fabric-y part that goes in, and that fabric-y part is loose inside there. Pretty sure that's what's rattling, because it doesn't feel loose like that on the other side, on the back side of it. But I can't like just pry this out and put glue in there or anything, so I think I'm going to have to replace this whole track, which looks easy enough to do. It's this this bolt there and another one up top here, and then I think the whole thing comes out. You can slide a new one in, but it's not something I can do today. So I'm going to put this back together, order that part, and then we'll take it all apart again and fix it another day. Problem I may have just ran into where these things here are supposed to snap in. There's these little inserts. You see there's one in there. I'll pull it out, but they're not these tabs here, right here. This is not locking into there. So I think what needs to happen, if I pull out that little insert, if I can do it without pushing it farther in, I need a screwdriver. There. So I pulled out this little insert. I think what maybe I need to do is attach that to here first. Maybe that's supposed to stay on this trim piece. And then I slam it into the hole. We'll see. Now those are on. Now let's see if it goes in. Oh yeah, much better. All right, just turn the key on quick, make sure all the windows and door locks and things work. Yeah, great. Great. Okay, until next time. Okay, I'm back with updates. You're not going to believe how dumb this problem is. It has nothing to do with anything inside the door. Turns out the whole thing is this little tiny piece of rubber, plastic, something that is supposed to be attached to the door frame, or the window molding here. And this is just broken off. You see down here, it's like properly attached, and then it gets torn off. And this is just what's been flapping around and making all that noise. You can even see where the paint is all scuffed. This will buff out, but it's all scuffed up there. That's what it is. So I guess when you roll the window down a little bit, it just makes the airflow in just a way that it's no longer affecting that. But big shout out to DataBug88. I don't think he's making videos anymore, but if it wasn't for him, I would never have figured this out. I'll link to his video. Yeah, huge shout out. So I'm going to do exactly what he did for the fix, which I'm just going to fill this little gap with silicone. I'm going to tape up the sides here just for easy cleanup, and then just run some silicone along in here, and it should be done. Cheap, easy, quick fix. That'll do it for this one. Good, cheap, easy fix. We did waste some time taking the door apart, but now we know how to take the door apart. So that's neat. Thanks for watching. Back soon.